Okay, children. So what we done? We want to add some water. Okay, daily we should add the water in the sprinkle. That means just sprinkle the water in the cotton until the spud have grown into young plants. Okay, when you want to do every day, you want to do when some spud means in this figure you can see, no, like this layer, when it comes to become a plant, a young plant, till there you want to pour some water. Young plant means you can see here like this. Okay, so you want to pour some water till then. After a week, try to separate the young plants from the cotton. What you want to do? New young plant came, no, that you want to separate it from the okay, understood? Okay, was it easy to separate the cotton from the root? Why? No, because already the roots, everything is fixed in the cotton, so you cannot able to separate them easily. Okay, in activity 6, we would not pull out the plants from the soil. In activity 6, we didn't pull any plants from the soil, right? We dug them out. We dug it from out. This is because roots help holding the plants firmly in the soil. Okay, roots are holding the plants in the soil. They anchor the plants to the soil. They are the anchors. Okay, you have seen that there are different kinds of stems and leaves are there. Do the roots also show a variety? Let us find out. Okay, so here you can see figure 7.16a. This is one of the root, and 7.b, this is another one root. So root of, what is A? Root of maize and a root of gram. Here you should write root of gram. Okay, now look at the root of gram plants you have pulled out from the cotton in the previous activity. Do they look like shown in the figure 7.16a? Yes. Okay. Or those 7.16b. How about the roots of maize plant? Okay, which one is maize? This one or this one? This one is maize and this one is gram. So root of maize, root of gram. Write gram or maize in the blank space in the figure after matching the root with the figures. In what way are the roots of gram and maize similar? What way they are similar? In what way they are different? So here you can see this root is thin. Here you can see this root is somewhat thicker. You see it? And both of them have roots are there. It is growing underward. Okay. There seems to be different types of root, isn't it? Yes, they are different types of root. Are these also other types of root? Let us find out. Next activity. Go to an open ground where many wild plants are growing. Dig out a few, wash the soil of the roots and observe them. Do you find that all of them have either the kind of roots? Every plants have root, but whatever you sow, they are different from each other. So here you can see roots. Here you can see roots. No, both are same. No, they are different from each other. For roots of the kind shown in 17.a, the main root is called a tap root. Okay, so here you can see one main root. No, one lengthy root, that is called a tap root, and the smaller roots are called a lateral. So here some branches are there, no, in the root. They are called a lateral roots. Okay, plants with roots are shown in the figure 7.17b. That means this root do not have a main root. Here can you able to see main root like this? No. Okay, they do not have a main root. All the root stem seem similar and these are called fibrous root. Okay, these are called a fibrous root. This is tap root and lateral roots are there. This is fibrous roots. So roots also different types of roots are there. Separate the plant you have collected in two groups. In group A, pull those have tap root and pull B, those have fiber root. Okay, if you collect means you can identify. So what kind of venation do you have? What kind of venation do you see for group B? Group means fibrous root. Venation means the arrangement. Okay, it is like a some hair like a arrangement you can see. Do you notice the leaf venation? Here you can see the leaf. How the roots like that the leaf also. Type of roots in the plants are related in a very interesting way. Is it? Type of root. According to the roots, the plants leaves also. Here you can see one main root, like that one main stem. Again it branches. So here also you have branches. Here there is no main root, and here in the leaves also no main root. Like roots, the leaves also there. Did you understood? Okay. So can you match the type of venation, leaf venation and type of root from some plants you have studied in the activities so far? Okay, this column you want to fill it. Search it in the net and you want to fill it. Okay. We have learned the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil.